coronavirus has grasped the whole world. Uh, Many millions of people have died. Yet we have to take classes online. I think all of you will attend my class today. We are class 9 English second paper and our topic is prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. In Bangla, there are some uposhargo. You know uposhargo, anushargo. In this way, in English, prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. Suppose the main word courage. What is the meaning of the word courage? Courage means সাহস. And then the word comes encourage. Encourage. What is the meaning of the word encourage? উৎসাহিত করা. Then from courage we have made encourage. And to make this word we have added en. We have added encourage. And this en has no meaning. But it has helped to make new word. And this is called prefix. Then suppose in the same way the word has we have written discourage. What is discourage? Means নিরুৎসাহিত করা. Encourage means উৎসাহিত করা. To make opposite word we have written discourage. This is this and this has no meaning and this is called prefix. In the same way, look at the word. This is courageous. Courageous. What is the meaning of the word courageous? Agrohi, utshahi. And courageous have taken OUS. En, this is OUS. This En, this OUS have no particular meaning. But they have helped the main word to make newer words. So what is prefix and suffix? We can say meaningless literal letters added before a word to make newer words is called prefix. In the same way, meaningless letter or letters added after a word is called suffix. Understand? অর্থাৎ যে সকল অর্থহীন বর্ণ বা বর্ণ সমষ্টি শব্দের শুরুতে যুক্ত হয়ে শব্দের অর্থের পরিবর্তন ঘটায় তাকে প্রিফিক্স বলে। এবং একইভাবে বলতে পারো যে সকল অর্থহীন বর্ণ বা বর্ণ সমষ্টি শব্দের শেষে যুক্ত হয়ে শব্দের অর্থের পরিবর্তন ঘটায় বা নতুন শব্দ সৃষ্টি করে তাকে বলে suffix. Look at the word. I am writing a new word. Look at the whiteboard. This is beauty. What is the meaning of the word beauty? Beauty means সৌন্দর্য. And this is a noun. From this main word, we can write beautiful. Camo. How is it? How is he or she? How is the flower? Beautiful. This is adjective. And to make this adjective, we have added full. And this full is suffix. Suppose beautify. B-A-U-T-I-F-Y. Here we have added F-Y. This is suffix. Beautify and it is verb. The last word is beautifully. Beautifully. How? কিভাবে? কেমন ভাবে? This is adverb. And here we have added ly. So, at last we can say that the meaningless letter or letters which are added before a word is called prefix, and the meaningless word or meaningless letter or letters which are added before a noun is called prefix, and after a word is called suffix. Dear students, we will discuss more deeply in the next classes about suffix and prefix. Your homework task is make 10 new words by using prefix and suffix. Thank you. We will meet next class. Goodbye. See you again.